YouTube SEO, Keyword Optimization Tips for Beginners. The process of optimizing your YouTube videos starts with researching keywords for your videos. There are a ton of tools online that can help you with this process, and that will be incredibly useful during this stage of the process. The goal of researching keywords is to put yourself in the shoes of your viewers and determine the words and phrases that they might use to look for YouTube video content like yours. When you are brainstorming keyword ideas for your YouTube videos, start with broad topics, like digital marketing, and then drill down to more specific phrases and long-tail keywords. Click the link below this video to claim your YouTube SEO 8-part series in YouTube Backlink Generator software for free. Thank you and have a great day.